Welcome to Pentagon Vauxhall in Manchester. Today's car we're looking at is our 68 plate Vauxhall Grandland X Elite Nav, finished in grey. As you can see from the front there, this car comes with daytime running lights, your front fog lights, has 19-inch diamond cut bi-colour alloy wheels, darker rear tinted glass, front and rear parking sensors, electronically operated boot, 60/40 rear fold-in seats, seats fold down, choosing the leather, split tier boot, electric windows, 2 rear mat pockets, central armrest with cup holders, USB connection down there, also a plug socket. This car has eye size for children's safety. Electric windows all round. You have automatic lights. Car has travelled just 15 miles, however this car is now a company demonstrator model and the mileage will increase. We have a multi-function steering wheel. To the left hand side you've got your cruise control, your speed limiter and your heated steering wheel, Also activation controls for your media system. In regards to media system, comes with AM, FM and DAB digital radio, can connect up to Bluetooth, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You also have a full touchscreen satellite navigation system on there. Got climate control, heated front seats, USB connection along with your 12 volt. This car has a 1.5 diesel engine, so it comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox. As I mentioned, full leather interior. Also comes with OnStar, and it is Wi-Fi ready. Also a fully retractable panoramic roof. Also, if we're looking here, this particular car also comes with wireless charging port for your phone. Now, if you'd like any more information on our 68 plate Vauxhall Grandland X Elite, now finished in grey, please call us at Pentagon Manchester. Our telephone number is 0161 798 7000. Thank you very much for watching.